Hello everyone. Take a section from the top of the hair, tie a rubber band to it. Now take a section from the right underneath it and tie it up at the back. Do the same until you reach the base. Make 2 braids at the bottom and roll it up. Make a section on one of the sides, make a braid out of it. Fold the braid ever so slightly and then add a rubber band to it in the middle. Fold it upwards, tie it up and make a heart shape. Make 2 sections on the side as such. At the back, make 2 more sections, join it in a ponytail. Start off by tying a section of the hair on one of the sides into a ponytail at the top. Add multiple rubber bands to it and then divide the back of the hair into 4 parts. Comb the hair into place and then take a section from the front. Tie a rubber band to it. Make 2 divisions out of it, make 2 braids out of it. Make 2 more sections, join it in a ponytail. Divide the hair into 3 portions. In the bottom, make 3 more sections and then join it together as such. Make 2 braids on the side and then roll it up into a bun. Add some decorative clips to it. Take a section from the front, make a ponytail out of it. Add a rubber band to the middle and roll the hair in on itself. Fold it over slightly and then tie it up to make a heart shape. Make multiple sections at the back. Take a section off the top of the scalp, divide it into 2 portions after tying a ponytail, add multiple rubber bands to them. On the side, join it together and add 2 more rubber bands. Braid the back. Taking a section from the front, tie a rubber band to it and then braid it. Taking another section right behind it, tie a rubber band to it, make a ponytail. Do the same right underneath. Braid the bottom and roll it up. Leave out a section at the front and then, taking the section at the front, take a small section from the top. Tie a ponytail 2 more times right underneath it. At the back, make 2 braids. Make multiple sections on either side. Now, taking a section from the back, braid it and then roll it up into a bun. As for the bottom portion of the hair, divide it into 3 parts. Make a braid out of both the parts. Take a section from the front, make a braid out of it. Include this braid into another braid that you will be making in the middle section. Repeat the same step once you reach the bottom section. Use the braid as the 3rd section. Taking a section from the front, tie a rubber band to it, divide it into 2 parts, join it together, braid the bottom, roll it up, add multiple rubber bands to it. Fold it ever so slightly. Divide the hair into 4 sections. Divide the bottom 2 sections into 2 parts. Braid 2 of the central parts and as for the other sides, add multiple rubber bands. Braid the sides, roll it up into a bun. Take a section off the top of the scalp and then tie a rubber band to it. Make 2 braids out of it. On either side, make 2 more braids and join them all together as such. Taking a section from the top, begin to make a braid. Join this to the rest of the hair at the bottom. Roll the bottom ponytail in on itself around the braid. Tighten it as you please. Leaving out a section from the front, tie a rubber band to it and then roll the hair in on itself. Braid the hair as such and then join it to the ponytail at the back. Taking a small section of the hair from the front, tie a rubber band to it. Right underneath it, take another section and then begin to braid the hair. Roll the bottom of the braid, add multiple rubber bands to it. Taking a small section off the top of the scalp, make a small section, tie a rubber band to it. Right underneath it, make another section and braid this section of the hair. Thank you for watching.